Hi everyone! Good morning! On this Ford Ranger Raptor, we installed Frontrunner Pro Bed Rack specifically for this unit. And also, for the accessories on this, we installed two Wolfpack Pro boxes with mounting kit. Very easy to remove. There's a lock bracket here. Waterproof, sealed with O-ring, rubber sealed, 100% waterproof. Free from water and dust. We'll put this back. Okay. This is how easy to install back. Next, also we installed on the other side of this vehicle, we're installing the vast water tank. With mounting bracket for you to use shower or wash your hands. Very easy to remove if you're going to keep it inside your vehicle. I put it back. Easy as 1, 2, 3 installation. With on-off switch, if you can see. Okay. Also, we installed for the awning, we're using the Alucab 270 awning. This is open when it's full. As you can see, this is floating. And there are separate stand in case there are strong wind. For your sleeping solution, we're using the lightest clamshell. The lightest clamshell rooftop tent. The Alucab LT50. Alucab load bar. Specifically for that tent we're using, and this is where you put your ladder. You're going inside and out of the vehicle. If you're, there are more parts coming, like solar panels, kitchen, and many more. If you're interested with our build, guys, feel free to message me. And please follow and like my YouTube channel, PRS Car Accessories and Services. See you here, guys. Bye!